Hello, my name is Leland Esky, and today I will be teaching you about ARBA Online. ARBA Online is the online database for the American Reference Book Annual. Basically, this website is a very important reference source that can be utilized by both librarians and students and even professionals within many different fields. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the background information and history of ARBA. What is ARBA Online? What does it provide for you? Who uses ARBA? How to access ARBA Online, and the key tools and features that will lead to successful searching. The history of ARBA Online starts off with the American Reference Book Annual. This book was published every year starting in 1970, and basically it provides information on other books about their quality, a review, and gives the user background information on the book before you ever opening up the specific book. Following the American Reference Book Annual, ARBA Online was created in 2002. In 2005, it joined partnerships and created a new design and layout. This is the new layout that we will be utilizing today. What does ARBA Online provide? As stated by the website, ARBA Online is the most comprehensive authoritative database for quality reviews of print and electronic reference work. So what does this mean for the user? This means that the user will be able to get reviews on books and the ability to see what has been written on the subject. So right now I'm going to show you how the user can actually access ARBA Online. As every SLIS student should have, they should have the SLIS LibGuides homepage bookmarked. There are many ways to access ARBA Online through this web page. The first is you can go down on the left hand side under background and reference sources. You can pick the little hyperlink right here, and it will take you directly to the website. Another way you can get to the website is go back to the SLIS LibGuides page, and you can go under Find Articles and Databases, go down to Titles A through Z, click on A for alphabetical, and scroll down until you see ARBA Online. And here we go. So we'll take us right there. And now this is the home page for ARBA Online. Alrighty, so here we are at the ARBA Online database main screen. This is the screen that you would get to when you clicked from the LibGuides on the hyperlink, and this is where it would take you. So the first main feature I want to talk about is the advanced search option. This is on the main home page, and this is where most people are going to be spending their time searching. This is where you can do keyword, title of the work, or subject searches by typing it in your keywords into the search box right here. To go along with this advanced search, you are able to use search filters to limit what items will be retrieved by the database. If you know of a specific subject that you want, you can click on here, and that will limit the database search to that subject area. Or if you know a volume number, publication date, you can type it in here, and it will also limit the searching to a specific area. The next main subject that you'll be looking is this Browse by Subjects object. If you do not know which subject, or if you do not know a specific work that you are looking for, you can come here and look at all these subjects between abbreviations to zoology. Once you find out the subject you want to look in, all you have to do is click on the word, and it will take you to the next set of documents all under that subject category. So under zoology, there are 20 plus records of reference reviews on certain books, both electronic and print. So let's go back to the next main part by clicking on the logo up here, which takes you back to the main screen. The next very useful option you're allowed to do is Browse New Reviews. By clicking on this, it shows a list of all the updates that ARBA Online has produced in the past 7 years. So you can go ahead and click on September 2011, and you are able to see the 93 different reviews that were updated this month. This will be helpful when you're just kind of searching and don't have a real guided path to follow, and you just want to find out what's new out there. So today I'm going to take you on a search. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search. And we are going to look for the book entitled Reference and Information Services in the 21st Century. This is the book that we are using in Library 210. So the first thing I'm going to do is type into the standard search bar the title of the book. And then, once I have it typed in there, I'm going to switch the operator to title of the work. And this is where it's going to be, because we're not going to need the dates or anything due to I'm looking for one certain book. So I click search, and there we are. Reference and Information Services in the 21st Century. So I click on this, and this is where ARBA Online contains most of the data about the reference source you picked. As you can look, the title of the book that I searched is up here, the authors of the book are right here, the publisher, the price, the ISBN and the ISN numbers, and then they have their own little content area. This is the subject categories that ARBA Online has categorized this book under. Also, below, now you can see the review written by Laura J. Bender, a librarian at the University of Arizona, Tucson. This is where you're going to get the heart of your information regarding the book. You'll hear about what it's good for. To quote from it, it is a guide to help create successful reference transactions using print and electronic tools. So, ARBA Online states that the Reference and Information Services in the 21st Century is actually a good book. So that's good to hear. If you wanted to find more information about other reference services or any books other than this one, you could click on these hyperlinks right here, and they will take you to other books under these subject categories. This is a sort of pearl building approach to finding resources that you need. You find one and then kind of go from there and hope that you might be able to find a second or third. One of the key features of ARBA Online is that most of these references and reviews are written by librarians for librarians. So being in the field of librarianship, being able to see what your peers are saying about a certain book will help all sorts of librarians choose and pick the right books for their library or their own research. It is a tool that needs to be used by librarians worldwide. Its importance relies in the ability to find quality reviews in a timely manner and be able to choose the right books in the end. That concludes my instruction of ARBA Online. ARBA Online, once again, is a very good database to use when trying to find whether or not you should purchase a book, if you should use a certain book, if there's another book out there. It is very useful for all people, including professionals, librarians, and students. Well, I hope this was helpful for everyone. Thank you.